In this video, we are going to learn about freezepanes tool and how it is very useful tool in Excel. Currently, I am in list function worksheet. In this list function worksheet, there are header like division, category, Jan, Feb, March and total sales. But when we drag our Excel worksheet down like this, we are unable to see that header. For that, we have to freeze that header so that when we drag our Excel worksheet down, we are able to see that header. So to freeze header, first step is to select the cell A2 like this. Then click to view tab over here. In that we have to click freeze pan option over here. Some option will come in front of us and in that we have to select freeze pan option like this. The moment we click that option, our header is now freeze. So when we drag our Excel worksheet down like this, header will be stable. Suppose we want to unfreeze our header. Then select any cell from the table, like I am selecting A2 cell. Then go to view tab. Then click to freeze pan option over here and in that click unfreeze pan. The moment we click, now our header from list function worksheet is unfreeze. See. Just keep one thing in mind. While freezing header, if we want to freeze header, then select cell below header only. In this scenario, we have selected A2 cell. Suppose we have selected A6 cell like this. And then we have clicked to view tab. And in that we have clicked freeze pan. And in that we have clicked freeze pan like this. So now when we drag our Excel worksheet down, from row 1 to 5 is freeze. See. Because we have selected A6 cell. So above A6 cell, all rows are freeze. So just keep this thing in mind while freezing header. Now I am unfreezing it like this. So like this we can freeze and unfreeze header in our Excel worksheet. Very cool feature and very useful feature Excel has given us. Try this tool in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video.